Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2014 Mazda BT-50, stock number 6965. It's run from the 10th 2011 to 1620. With a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front 16-inch steel wheel tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel tyre. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel tyre. Right front door 16th. Right hand door mirror. Right front 16-inch steel wheel tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Sunglass holder. Left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,